Hey y'all, since I'm bored, I am gonna rank all 5 of the new released Katseye songs from the Wild EP. So let's go. Honestly, in my opinion, That Way is last place for me. It's not bad, but I just don't like it as much as the other song. 4 for me is very controversial, but Hootie Fruity. It's just, I can't understand it. At 3rd is Pinky Up. It is really good, has a pretty good dance, but it's not my favorite. 2nd is Animal. I like that Ed Sheeran's in it, and I really like the vocals, specifically Laura and Sophia's, but also Danella's. I think it's pretty good. And at 1 for me is Bel Air. It is just really good to me. Like, Bel Air's really good. I like the soothing, calm vibe of it and everything. See y'all, and here is a kitty.